So, our question for today is regarding the Tamil New Year. So, Tamil New Year is celebrated in the Chatrai month. So, is there a specific reason? Because there are so many different ways to celebrate the New Year in our country.
Yeah, it's a very valid question. Um the ancient Tamil anthropological age of the language and the civilization is not much defined so far. It's quite old. We don't have the history. But one thing is very vivid and clear that the Tamil civilization, which is very old, including the language, is we don't know the exact time frame, but the point is we are the first civilization in the world. Tamil civilization is followed a clear cut of solar based calendar. Out of 64 major arts, the science of astrology plays a very big role. That's an art by itself, which is the branch of astronomy. When it comes to the question of solar based calendar, you have these 12 houses of Rasi. Okay?
Right.
In that horoscope, if you see, there will be 12 houses. So it starts with Mesham, then Rishabham, then Midunam, then Kadagam, Simmam, Kanni, Tulam, Vrishchigam, Dhanusu, Magaram, Kumbam, Meenam. 12. When the sun puts his foot in Mesham, that's the first house. Mesham is the first house, Meenam is the last house, according to the chronological order. So when sun enters Mesham, the first house, the year starts. This is very clear. That is what is Chittirai. When sun enters Rishabham, it's Vaikasi. Midunam, Ani. Kadagam, Adi. Simmam, Avani. Kanni, Puratasi. Tulam, Aipasi. Vrishchigam, Kartigai. Dhanusu, Margari. Magaram, Tai. Then Kumbam, Masi, Meenam, Kadaisi Madam. That is the last month of Panguni. So for the time period in which the sun stays in each house is calculated exactly like a month, 31 days. In some in 1 month 32 days will also come. So we exactly calculated the 365 point few hours. Very perfect it is, because our calculation, the timing of number of solar eclipse or number of lunar eclipse is also well defined according to the calculation of the planetary movements. So the year, Tamil year is very well clearly defined of 12 months, and the significance of the sun god staying in each Rasi house is completely perfectly calculated with mathematical calculation, including the number of hours and seconds from which it will transit to the next house will be the birth of the next month. So the first house is Mesham. When the sun enters Mesham, only the year starts, because at what as we come around the sun, the earth rotate itself and then move in an electrical path like an egg. At one point it will come closer to the sun, at the other point it goes longer to the sun. So that is very clearly calculated, the electrical path in which from where the year starts is also well defined and calculated. So you can be very clear of the sun entering the Rasi house of Mesham will become the first day of the year, which normally falls on 14th of April. So based on this only, the entire calendar is formed for a year. Every year is got a specific name for it. in which 60 years become a cycle, 360 years of 6 into 60, 360 years become a mega cycle. So the weather pattern is also calculated based on the planetary positions. So the first 60 years will not be the same as second, will not be the same as third. Say the first cycle, first year is Akshaya. The next year, next cycle, first year is also the same name, but the planetary positions are not matching, so the weather patterns will not match. The first cycle and the seventh cycle will be the same with respect to the weather patterns. So it takes 360 years for it to repeat the weather pattern, which is too long a period. We do not have data beyond 185, 190 years of data only we have at the moment. So you should have 360 years of data for you to, synchronize and say that yes, this year it will be like this, So as your question is why Chitra Masam first day is calculated as the new year in Tamil, is because the sun entering Mesham will be the first Rasi house. The first day of that period is calculated as the new year in our solar based calendar. Thank you.